2012, Guam ranked number 5 in the nation for the most reported cases of chlamydia. And according to STD Project Supervisor Bernie Schumann, most of the cases reported were amongst individuals between the ages of 15 and 24 years old.
And we want to make sure the younger generation is protected so that they could continue to be healthy and to take precautions so that they can prevent STDs from occurring.
Understanding that a lot of unprotected sex occurs in this age group, Schumann says this suggests that unprotected sex and risk behaviors are prevalent, which lead to sexually transmitted diseases, which has impacted Guam significantly.
At the social, economic impacts on our population, it could mean some people could end up getting infertile, unhealthy babies being born, women and men at such a young age, reproductive organs impacted and affected, and leading to serious consequences like pelvic inflammatory disease and HPV, which is human papillomavirus.
However, sexually transmitted diseases can be prevented.
I want to just make sure that everyone understands that these diseases can be prevented by testing and to seek a test at your doctor's clinic, or you can come to public health and we can do it for free.
Knowing who your partner is and their sexual history is of utmost importance.
And really important, because if you're not with a regular partner and you want to make sure what your baselines are before you engage in any type of unprotected or protected intimate sex.
Additionally, knowing if you have contracted STDs such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, and HIV is equally important.
It's important so that you don't pass it on to your partners, and to make sure that you stay healthy and your reproductive organs don't get impacted.
Don't suffer the consequences of unprotected sex. According to Schumann, most people who already have an STD have an increased chance of acquiring HIV. Once sexually active or having unprotected sex, you should get tested as frequently as you change partners, or if you aren't sure if your partner has had other partners. Use a condom. Condoms and testing are free at Public Health, Manilao, and Northern Clinics, the Guam Project, and West Care Pacific. While safe sex helps to reduce your chances of contracting an STD, the number one rule to protecting yourself is abstinence. It is the only 100% way of preventing sexually transmitted diseases. With this week's Health Check, I'm Jolene Tovis.
Health Check is presented by Island Cancer Center.